Hello friends, my today's topic, how to install WordPress on localhost using XAMPP. Okay, so let's start. For this I will take two stuff. One is XAMPP, second one is WordPress. Okay, so first one I will download XAMPP on official website. So for this simply I'll go to the Google and download. Will type download XAMPP. Okay, this is the first link. We can simply click on that. Okay, so here is the different version, and as I am using the Windows, so definitely I will go for the Windows version. Okay, I will download this one. In my case, I have already downloaded. So here is the XAMPP setup for Windows, and that is 64-bit, as my system is in 64-bit. Okay, so next I'll jump to the WordPress CMS. Something I'll do, go for Google and free download WordPress. What I will type, free download WordPress. The top one link. Okay, simply I just click on the top one link. Okay, get WordPress, and here priceless and also free. Simply I will click on the download this one. Okay, so in my case I have already downloaded the setup, so I'm not doing that. Okay, so here is my both of setup. One is WordPress and second one is XAMPP. Okay, so next what I will do, I will you just click on that and run as administrator. Okay, and we will proceed what the pop-up is instructed. As per the instruction we can proceed step by step. Okay, so I have already installed. Okay, this already installed on my PC, so I'm not doing the same again. So simply I just search XAMPP. Is the XAMPP control panel. Okay, simply what I will do, simply I will use two modules. I will run two modules. One is Apache, next one is MySQL. Okay, so we'll start Apache. Next one I will start MySQL. Then what I will do next, here simply I will click on the Explore. I will maximize this window, and next I will hit on htdocs. Now what I will do, I will create a folder. Okay, here as per the website, what website I'm going to live. Okay, any name I can choose. So simply I just create a folder name like demo site, my demo site. I'll simply type the same thing, my demo site. What I will do the next I will visit this folder and will copy the WordPress setup. I will simply copy it and will go to the my demo folder and will paste it here, the WordPress setup. Okay, now it's the time to, it's the zip file. Now I will unzip this WordPress setup and will click extract here. Now it has successfully completed, and I will simply delete the WordPress setup and will click on the WordPress. Okay, simply I will copy all the file and folders within this WordPress directory. Simply I just cut and will paste it here. Okay, next I will click on the WordPress and you see there is no files and folder here. Okay, so simply what I will do, I will delete the WordPress. Okay, so all the files and folder are here. Okay, then and simply type localhost php myadmin. Okay, here what I will do, create a database as per my website name. So my website name is my demo site. Okay, so for easy memorize, I will create the database as per my website name. So simply I just copy and click on the database section. Okay, here the database has been created. Okay, now again I will type localhost slash my demo site and will hit enter. Okay, this is the simple and easy process, and the default language is already selected, English. Okay, so simply I will hit on continue, and here it is asking database name, database username, database password and database host. Okay, and number 5 table prefix if you want to run the more than one WordPress in a single database. Okay, you just proceed what I'm doing. Let's go, and here the database name, it's asking database name. Okay, as I'm running the WordPress on the localhost, so simply what I will do, I will delete the WordPress option and this is my database name. Okay, and for username it will be root, and password field it will be blank. Database host and table prefix I'm just leaving both of the option and will hit on submit. Okay, now run the installation. Procedure what I will do, simply you just put any name as per your choice. I will put the title name and for username, this is my username, and for password, my pass 123. Okay, but simply I just keep save both of the credential, username and password. Okay, so I'm just simply copy and save it on notepad. Simply copy the password section and paste it, and I will confirm to use the weak password. For email section, we can put any email ID. So okay, so hit on install. Now I'm getting message WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. Simply I will hit on login. Here I will put the username, and in password field I will fill with the password. Okay, okay, here I'm just getting to see the WordPress dashboard. Okay, simply the normal process. Simply I, for theme change, simply I will hit under appearance section, I will hit on the theme section, theme, and let's say I'm choosing one theme. Now I can see the site. So here is the complete setup. Okay, and suppose you need to install the plugin, under plugin, and we'll hit on the install new, and here is the all the plugin sections. Okay, simply whatever plugin is required, we can simply hit on the add new plugin. It's a normal process. Okay, and we'll search for the plugin. Okay, so this is the complete tutorial how to install WordPress on localhost by using XAMPP. Okay, thank you.